Toilet leaks from the tank bolts are one of the sneakiest, most annoying problems that can wreck your bathroom vibe and waste a ton of water. So, here's the deal. First, you gotta turn off the water supply to the toilet. Don't want to flood your floor, right? Next, flush the toilet to empty the tank and soak up any leftover water with a sponge or towel. Now, grab a wrench and gently tighten those tank bolts. But here's the kicker. If you're just tightening the old washers, they might be all cracked or worn out. Swap those bad boys for new rubber washers to get a snug, leak-proof fit. When you put everything back together, don't go crazy tightening, or you could crack the porcelain, just firm enough to stop the drip. Finally, turn the water back on and keep an eye out for leaks for a bit. If it's still leaking, double check that bolts aren't stripped or damaged. Sometimes you gotta replace the whole bolt. One of the biggest toilet leaks from tank bolts mistakes is over-tightening bolts, which can crack your tank and cost way more to fix. Easy fix is to tighten just until snug. Another common issue is using worn-out washers that don't seal properly. Swapping in new rubber washers usually solves this problem fast. Last thing people mess up is ignoring corrosion on bolts that can cause leaks or breakage. Just replace rusty bolts with stainless steel ones to keep things solid. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle toilet repairs and other home fixes without breaking the bank. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with folks looking for reliable help on big home projects.